So here it is, 3.5 weeks, cutting at 6mm, about 98% filled in, looking really good. No sponginess at all, just feels like a nice soft carpet to walk on. Cutting at 6mm as well, it's hanging in there, it's going really well. But you can see that, there's just no, that's just leaf straight on top. Beautiful. Nice and soft. And since my last video, where I showed you this area here, it's filled in quite a lot. You see those runners really spreading out over nicely. So this area's got a little bit more to do. The roots they can't grow quite as deep over there because the concrete, a bit of a spill over there, so it takes a little bit longer down in this section. But yeah, the rest of it though, same with this bit. As always, had trouble there, but other than that, it's filling in beautifully. There you go, Kikuyu cut at 6mm. Going all right. Enjoy the rest of your week, everyone.